Hi viewers, welcome back. I'm going to show us how I style this my vintage scarf. So can you stay tuned and let's enjoy this video. Here is my vintage scarf in form of a square shape. So what I did, I made sure I turn it into a triangular shape to form the different style which I want to style this my vintage scarf. So keep watching and see how I turn this beautiful vintage scarf into a different style. It in 8 different styles, and I hope you love each of it, and let me know your favorites among it. One thing about a sleek scarf, we have to like tight it because it's sleeky. So we have to like give it a firm look. Here I'm trying to get a pin to hold it down. So you can get any pin or a fashion pin just to hold it. And here we have another one in the front twist, just in my previous video. Hope you've seen that video also, which I styled different ways which you can style your scarf in a front side twist. So here is another way which we can style our square shape. Would love to know your favorites. Which of it would you like to scrape? These are beautiful ways, simple and easy way to rock a scarf. Not just a sleek scarf. This is also style inspiration for any of a beautiful scarf in form of a square shape, not even a square shape, in a rectangular shape. This is a lovely style inspiration. And here is another beautiful one. This one is also quite easy and simple. Just a twist at the back, like a knot at the back, and you bring the front tail, I mean the two tip, you bring it to the front and give it another nice high on the front. So that's what they do here. It's quite simple and easy. And please, if you like this video, kindly share. If you haven't subscribed, you are watching Tina's Fashion. Here I showcase beautiful style inspiration, different DIY, head wrap look, simple and easy way, trending and beautiful style inspiration. Here on Tina's Fashion, you get to see more of this beautiful, trendy. Thanks for watching today's fashion collection. Hope you loved today's fashion video. Let me know your favorite among these beautiful styles. Dinner's lovers, returning subscribers, new subscribers. Thanks for always staying tuned to this channel. I love and appreciate you all. Stay blessed. Bye for now.